Welcome to our world of cutting-edge silicone pressure-sensitive adhesives, PSA, and release coatings at Momentive, where innovation meets performance. For decades, our products have been trusted and prioritized by customers across industries, thanks to our advanced technology and expertise in specialized tape and label manufacturing. Our solutions deliver precision and reliability across a wide range of industries, including industrial production, aerospace, electronics, healthcare, automotive, packaging, and food and beverage, even in the most demanding environments. We take pride in providing exceptional and reliable PSA solutions tailored to meet your diverse customer needs, including superior bonding and noise, vibration, and harshness damping, even in extreme temperature conditions. Our Sil Grip PSAs excel in chemical stability, moisture resistance, and durability, delivering electrical insulation and optical clarity. Designed for challenging surfaces, they provide balanced tack and clean removal. We are also a global leader in silicone release coating technologies. Our portfolio includes SilForce solventless, solvent-based, emulsion-based, and UV curing release coating systems. These coatings are essential for paper and filmic liners, labels, and for high-performance industrial tapes. Our Green Series, featuring SilForce Super Low Platinum and AnchorSil, revolutionizes sustainability with ultra-low platinum catalyzed coatings and low-temperature cures while maintaining excellent performance. Behind every product is our dedicated team of experts, perfecting performance as we pioneer future solutions today. Explore our silicone PSA and release coating solutions. Contact us today.